Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Picked up a bunch of old blue cards this week. Figured I'd want to show them to you. Got a Spy Print series. Eavesdrop on the Enemy. Anybody ever seen one of those? I hadn't. But anyway, you've seen one now. There's another one, Spy Print series. This one is Top Secret Spy Mission. They all look about the same. Get the other one out. Spy Print series. Expose the Truth. Infiltration. Hot Wheels Secret. Not bad. And we got Salt Flat Racer. Salt Flat Racer. Old Walmart stickers on there. They come from Walmart back then. Got the Flame Stopper. Big old water jet. Got the Premier Collector's model of Hot Wheels First Edition. Whatever it is, I don't know. But that's what it is. Premier Collector's model. Whatever it is, I don't know either. But you can see what it is. Whatever it is, I don't know. We got Toe Jam. And that's not T-O-E, just T-O-W. Toe Jam. Then we got Camaro convertible. And we got another one in Rock and Rod series. Got the guitar. Pretty cool. There's another one in here somewhere. Rock and Rod. There we go. Yeah, Rock and Rod. Same kind. Rock and Rod. Got a guitar on the side. It's a pretty cool car. How many of y'all out there has got one of these things? And we got the Zoom into action. Biff, bam, boom, vroom. There we go. And we got a Dodge Ram 1500 truck. Yep. And we got another one. Then we got the Speed Spray series. High Speed C-Jet. What is this? It's a Zender Fact 4. Whatever that is. Your guess is as good as mine what that is. I don't know. And we got us a little quad, Suzuki quad racer. Right. Got a rigger motor. A rigger motor. Something Graves, I don't know what it is. Yeah, it was 75 cents back then. Okay. And we got a Mercedes SL convertible. Right. got a dinosaur. Speedosaurus. Yeah. Okay. I've got some kind of weird bat thing. Vampira. I'm not really into them things. Power rocket. Big old rockets on the back. Power rocket. Okay. And we got some kind of ski mobile. Big chill. Yeah. And we got another old dinosaur. Like I said, I'm not really into them damn things at all. Alright, that's all the box. Now let's go to some 5-packs. This is showroom specials. Exciting decorations. That is the showroom specials. Gotcha. And we got the alien attack. Huh. Ooh, I like that. I like the Camaro. I don't know what that is. That's not bad. It's like a Porsche. More fun with alien attack track set. All right. And we got the Crazy Classics 2. Looks like a Soul Train, choo-choo train off a Soul Train. And whatever that thing there is. And then whatever that is. And the Wienermobile. Yes. It's the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. And the little red wagon with a big old motor in it. Yes. And we got the firefighting. Okay. And we got the flag flyer. That don't look too bad. That's pretty. Toyota. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like those. Flag flyer. I like those. Yes. Police force. We got the police, helicopter, we got the anti-drug unit, SWAT van, and the bus. Yes. And last, we got a 1975 authentic commemorative replica, whatever that is, 30 years. Hot Wheels flying colors. Tough and sturdy, high voltage. Wow. Check that out. A large charge. Huh. I have to look into this one. Have to check it out. But anyway, that is what I picked up this week from a flea market. The blue cards. Hope you liked it. Check out more of the videos at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. And we'll be back with some more. Thank you.